Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular dash cams, the WOLFBOX G840S and the REDTIGER F7NP. Both of these devices promise to enhance your driving experience with their advanced features. Today, we will explore their specifications, performance, and unique attributes to help you choose the right one for your needs. Let's dive in. The WOLFBOX G840S features a 4K UHD front camera that provides stunning clarity and detail, making it ideal for capturing important moments on the road. In contrast, the REDTIGER F7NP offers flexibility with its 4K and 2.5K recording options, allowing users to choose the resolution that best fits their needs. Both cameras deliver high-quality footage, but the choice between them may depend on your preference for resolution and recording versatility. When it comes to display size, the WOLFBOX G840S boasts a large 12-inch LCD touchscreen, providing excellent visibility and ease of use. This is particularly beneficial for drivers who prefer a larger interface for navigation and monitoring. On the other hand, the REDTIGER F7NP features a compact 3.16-inch IPS touchscreen, which, while smaller, offers a sleek design and portability. The choice here depends on whether you prioritize screen size or compactness in your vehicle. Both dashcams come equipped with built-in GPS, ensuring accurate location tracking. However, the REDTIGER F7NP stands out with its built-in Wi-Fi feature, allowing for app control and remote viewing of footage. This modern integration can be a significant advantage for tech-savvy users who prefer easy access to their recordings. The WOLFBOX G840S, while lacking Wi-Fi, still offers robust GPS functionality for navigation and monitoring. In conclusion, both the WOLFBOX G840S and the REDTIGER F7NP offer impressive features that cater to different needs. The WOLFBOX excels in display size and camera resolution, while the REDTIGER provides modern connectivity options with its built-in Wi-Fi. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific requirements and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like